So of course this would happen. First time that we pull anything with the new truck, we blow a water pump. The water pump, I think, stopped working. Whatever it is, it's not good. We left, I don't even know, maybe half an hour ago. We take an exit to turn off the freeway, and I'm like, what's that smell? Burning coolant. That's what the smell was. So we pulled over. Luckily, we're not on the side of the road this time. We're like in a big dirt pull-off kind of with a creepy building and a bunch of garbage. At least it's not on the side of the road. I can't believe like it was the first time we're pulling the camper and this happens. So stupid.
Hey, I'm looking for a water pump for a 2016 Ram 4500.
Okay, I do have one for it, and I've got it's $76.99.
What brand is it?
Made by Murray.
Murray?
Temp Control.
Okay. You said 75 bucks?
$76.99.
Okay, can you set that aside for me?
Sure.
There you go. $76 in 2 hours plus an hour drive. That's not so bad. It could have been a lot worse. So are we gonna take the Can-Am there, or are we gonna take the bike there?
No, we're gonna take the bike.
But if we take the Can-Am, we'll have more room for coolant.
So to go get the water pump and some more coolant, we decided we were gonna just take the Can-Am. Otherwise, we'd have to like unload the Can-Am, move the trailer, unload the bike, and then have to do all of that back over to leave. So we just decided it's only about 15 to 20 miles. So we figured, we'll just take the Can-Am. It's easier, and then we don't have to worry about having enough space for, you know, the gallons of coolant and whatever else. Okay, so this is definitely not what we had planned for today, but we did find a O'Reilly's, I think, that has a water pump that we are gonna go get. I think it's about 15 miles to get there.
Yeah, good thing we have multiple modes of transportation.
So for all you haters out there saying like, you need to get rid of all of these things, no, this is our plan B and C and D.
Yeehaw! Bet you didn't know we were four-wheeling today.
Wasn't planning on it. Look at all these trucks pulling trailers. Man, wonder what that's like.
Wouldn't it be nice to do that without overheating?
Yeah. Oh, here's our Dairy Queen. This was the DQ I was thinking of the other night when we were like, I want ice cream. Wait, we're not getting it now.
Why?
Because we gotta go get the parts and bullshit.
Yeah, but I'm hungry. And we can eat Arby's.
Okay.
We can have DQ and Arby's.
Okay.
We've been saying we want ice cream, so we might as well. It's already going to be a shitty day.
Okay.
I mean, kind of. Plus, we need fuel anyways. So.
Okay. So since we knew today was already going to be kind of shitty, and it's lunchtime, we're deciding we're going to treat ourselves to Arby's and DQ, because we had to get gas for the Can-Am anyway. So, yep. And they were at the gas station. So, DQ and Arby's for lunch. At least we're not going to get hangry at each other, right?
No, we're good.
Put a leash on it. So we need red antifreeze, and it doesn't look like they have any. Found it? Oh yeah.
Yeah, they were hiding it.
That's what we need right there.
125 bucks.
Got what we need though. Hopefully. Supplies have been acquired. Now
yes.
back home. Back to the camper to see how much of a bitch this is going to be. God, you're scary.
Why?
Because I know the only reason you're going as fast as you are because you're trying to keep up with that damn semi on the road right there.
How'd you know?
Because I know you! I know that's what you do! And I noticed that we were pacing it. And I'm like, oh, I see. Alright, finally made it back. Ooh. Okay, first order of business is to get the old water pump out. And hopefully be able to see exactly what's going on with it as to why it blew up.
Bolt 1.
So this is the old water pump?
Yeah. That's our problem. It didn't need to piss out of the weep hole. I'm sure it just pissed out of the bearing that's not there anymore.
What's the new one feel like then?
Nice and tight. Okay, so this is a fucking trick to get in here. You have to like put it in the fan and then spin the fan down. Bolts? Two? Oh, seriously? Yeah. Is there another one on the ground? Don't drop it again.
See, got it. All right, now that we have the new water pump on and the belt back in place, now we're gonna go ahead and put in more coolant, and hopefully it stays in this time and not on the ground. I mean, a little over 2 hours to fix it and go get parts and everything. That's not so bad, actually. That wasn't bad at all, honestly. It could have been a lot worse. Now to clean up our mess and try to make it to the next spot and hope that we don't have another fiasco. So we drove a couple of miles and the truck finally got up to temp, and then as soon as it got up to temp, it said that the coolant level was low. So we put the rest of what we had left, but that's not very much. Okay, so we got to our first significant grade, and
21.
it went from 212 to now 221, 219.
But I can hear the fan just kicked on.
Yeah, the fan just kicked on to high, so now it's coming to down to 215. So
Should be good.
we should be good. Still, we're gonna keep a pretty close eye on it, but we should be okay. We started on that flat ground down there, and now we're way up here. As we were driving to our new camping spot, we see this sign here, which says permit required if you're over 40 feet. So we pulled over, and we were looking at the map or whatever, and we decided that it is gonna be better off to go into town, like back the way we came through town, and then up on the other side of the road. So now we get to try to turn around. So this is fun. Well, we finally got to the spot that we're staying for the night, but holy cow, what a day it has been. Thank goodness it was something simple though, like a water pump and not like a head gasket like you originally thought.
Yeah. If watching our catastrophes is entertaining, go check out this video where we
Broke our flex plate.
broke our flex plate on our old pickup.
And AAA left us stranded.
Yeah.